Hello all, I am Pushkrit, Associate Professor, Akal College of Education, Mastawana Sahab, Sangrur. Now this presentation is on basic orientations for the paper Enhancing Learning Through ICT. It's for the B.Ed first year, second SAM. In this paper, we learn so many things. Before going our next presentations, we firstly try to understand what are the objectives of this paper. Secondly, this paper include what type of topics and how we evaluate. Means we have three things: objectives of this paper, content, what it include, and the last one is the evaluation system. For evaluation, I give you one link and you fulfill the form and return submit to us. All process is on my Telegram channel, so please subscribe it. ICT, the full name of this paper is Information Communication Technology. As I already said, before going the content of this one, firstly we understand why we learn this paper. So the university decides some objectives for our pupil teachers. First one is we understand the basic concept of ICT. Second one, the role and importance of ICT in the teaching learning process. Third, integration of ICT in teaching learning process. Fourth, employ hands-on experience on ICT tools. Fifth one, differentiate different tools and use effectively in teaching learning process. And last one is formalize new trends in ICT. These are the objectives for ICT paper. Now this paper include two sections. The first section is a basic orientation, second one the practical aspect. The theoretical portion include the ICT concept, characteristics, importance, scope, advantages and disadvantages. The second subunit of section 1 is integration of ICT in teaching and learning, challenges of integrating ICT in school education. The second unit include using computers and internet in education, ICT in teacher education, developing techno-psychologic skills. And the last subsection of this one is multimedia courses, internet resources and new trends in ICT like smart classroom, virtual classroom and mobile learning / online learning. So I hope we all are ready to go with the classes of this paper through audio recordings. Why I choose the audio recordings? Because if we develop our sensory channels in the different modes, like when we see the videos, we include minimum 2 sense organs, eyes and ears. But if we use the audio only, then we are totally focused on our ear portion and it helps us to more concentrate on this. Best of luck. We learn so many things in our next presentations. Thank you.